Good morning, dear students, and welcome back to your English grammar class. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about prepositions. A preposition is a word that is placed before a noun or a pronoun. It shows how a person or a thing denoted by the noun is related to something else, such as a verb or an adjective or another noun in a sentence. For example, there is a table in the room. The word in connects the noun table to being present in the room. Let us now talk about kinds of prepositions. There are mainly three kinds of prepositions. Prepositions of time, prepositions of place, and prepositions of movement. Let us talk about prepositions of time. Prepositions of time are words which denote the time that is presented in the sentence. The words which we can use for preposition of time are at, in, on, until, during, after, before, through, between, from, for, since, etc. Preposition of time talks about when and for how long the action was done. Let us take an example. I waited until 9 o'clock. Here, the word until is the preposition of time that shows that the action of waiting was done till 9 o'clock. Next, we have prepositions of place. These words are used to denote a position in which the noun is. For example, at, in, on, under, among, before, behind, by, beside, between, against, and near are the words which are used for prepositions of place. Let us take an example. The balcony is behind the bedroom. Here the word behind shows the position of the balcony. Next we have prepositions of movement. These are used to denote the movement or direction in which the noun is moving. Words like about, across, off, from, to, towards, into, out, off, over, round, through, up, past, and along are used to denote prepositions of movement. Let us take an example. The boy ran across the road. Here the word across is the preposition of movement and it shows the direction in which the boy is moving. Along with the three main kinds of prepositions, we also have prepositions of agent and prepositions of instrument. Let us learn about prepositions of agent. These prepositions are used to tell the relationship between the noun and the action. For example, preposition is by. It is used to show that a thing is the cause of another thing. And the examples can be, I am reading a novel by Khalid Hosseini. Here, by is the preposition for agent and it shows that the novel that I am reading was written by Khalid Hosseini. Next are prepositions for instrument. These prepositions are used for different instruments and devices. The prepositions are by, on, and with. By is used for traveling, that is, she went by car. That is, the mode of traveling was car. On is used to show use of machines. For example, may I finish my work on your computer? That is, the preposition on talks about what machine we are going to use. Next is with. It is used to show that an action on a noun is conducted by another noun. For example, she loves writing with her red pen. Another example can be open the lock with this key. So today we learned about prepositions of time, place and movement. Along with that, we also learned about prepositions of agent and prepositions of instrument. That will be all for today's class. Until we meet again, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning.